Thank you for reminding me. Iyabo Ojo, single handling.
You know, Priscilla married do 2025. Where shake it
Mama, we are
People they left for man. People they left for mommy Iyabo Ojo. People they left for that woman.
Now queen mother, queen
yes,
mother.
Mama,
not see daughter make her pride. We raise a low.
People they beg say marriage you don't do. Today marriage to man.
No, see, if you marry my way, make Bema gonna say the chat. If you marry better man, they know they talk. Let me tell you.
Yes,
Pastor Jerry, na single mother trainer na.
Exactly. VDM mother.
Just carry person.
VDM mother mean that one has name.
You know say now the level where she did.
Make I tell you again. You know the grandson of Queen Elizabeth. You know say the wife will marry that mistress girl. Na single mother. Na trainer. Only she na mother born. I'm not born again, but I'm mother train her. But today she married to the grandson of Queen Elizabeth.
The road that when we say don't marry now.
This married woman. Correct married woman.
Wait there, Mama 3D even do marriage. You know, you don't already born 3 children before you don't already born 3 children.
If you come see her when person say we go this see her. Just see her.
Where carry. Thick cloth where wear. You know if we wear necklace.
Question. You come this yellow basket.
Oh, na leave us so na click on the yellow basket. Now we they do.
I say they do yellow basket. I beg.
Now we they do. I beg leave us so.
You not say yourself. Come outside, my sister.
They find and make them naked.
This one here, I'm here. I click on the yellow basket. This boss I say, how many? 5 1. Not born her way.
Advice when me get for her. Make sure they wash her back because single mother will crazy.
Why they find out? She not even know.
The way they go passion for Apia. Anything. Mommy Jennifer, you guys beg for weather.
I'm telling you, just the wash.
Yeah, they don't even know say not even woman will really decrease or the normal grind decrease. If he cash out, you know go care. Or ti onya one, you don't tear into pieces. You just say that
not be who know who beat her.
That's my ex-wife.
Now what you felt up before? If na Italy they go don't beat her now. If na that Italy for go that party.
Only what can bring you want do basta, but they will beat her. Not they
a woman to woman.
You can be too fighting now.
You can. They go beat you. They go come out. Hey, police not boy.
Because that woman
that be man beat her now, a fellow woman.
Yeah, the husband ex-wife don't want beat her. Woman will really me now. We want
beat her. Because in a party now, me them because
they don't go spoil the party. Yeah,
that they not go finish.
It go drop. We don't want more. We better not see her corner. He go beat her mercilessly. That all he cloth, he go video and he go naked.
I said, I tell you, day, therefore don't beat you, my sister.
They'll see you for ground, you'll be like the way so call you.
Before you actually go dodge the go Africa shop. Yeah,
you must get enemy for there.
They go beat her. Pasha married woman where they suffer.
They go beat you, they go beat you, beat just they play.
Who be this one when say I love you waiting?
I bet if now your sister that go by your day life,
they say me come Italy.
Mommy,
you know, if they carry child benefit for this side.
Yes,
collect. I don't tell you now. If you come Italy, she go collect woto.
Live video, just invite me. Make your enter live video because I want to re-watch that.
Mommy Jennifer, I not go bring you up.
The other woman.
No, mommy, see that woman way gallant.
Okay, yes, I dey follow if you there. Okay.
Because they say she
I come across this mommy Chiri dia. Because me I tell you platform me correct me know the tell single mother son. The next the others useless boys wey don frustrate for life. When they are children dey for judgment. Others boys when they are children dey for judgment. They don't know where they are children. Even the government they fit their children. Because they ask you if you single mother. Because if you single mother na party, what happen?
You know say today now the never she just dey start. Nobody never come up.
Which mommy? Maybe the
I say, hey, I hope for me, sir. Therefore, remove this for second eye. She cut us the eye said they here, they say I want a rubber for here. Now she instantly she blocked me.
Because they do like say something where they tell I know they pay for, but they
She go here, they block everybody.
no dey pay now. He go cook what he want talk today. Come. He not
She
fit
can lie and the husband go your place, they go your first lie.
That man yesterday.
that your husband will be like person wey dey
One
born
do like
for
today now. He go me on about the life when
your woman go just be pikin for you, go just dey waka for different party.
They say the peace for
Down
us.
for party they go. Party.
I was yesterday that matter they go very well. No do like today. They don't beat her now.
I say na it's you know till they for do don carry am go they go do am go far comot for the party side carry enter one corner yen gbe.
Eternal gets they crazy so we buy it start for Facebook they crazy so they fight for road they fight for everywhere.
Mama, I said if na Italy for that party, they go carry am comot for the front of the party. They'll carry am go one corner. Yeah, better. But yeah, put yeah, better. Feel like you call police. Feel like you know their ass. They go tell police say na two fighting.
Yeah, I said would they fight? They fight for years. They fight. Forget
you
that.
know, you don't stab and you don't injure.
Now two fighting. You must injure face. You must injure and now two fighting.
Yes, now you don't carry knife.
You cut those places. You cut and half. They can finger am.
You go give her a ballasting mark. If they look the mark, you say, eh?
No say those names, so those rubber names when they don't cut and you can't cut and half. No finish am o. The mark when you go give them everlasting no come on.
Everlasting my echo.
You know you go follow all those guys they do friend, all those guys they do friend. As a responsible woman wey marry, what you concern guys? What you concern
no bigger boss you know say that the one don bend now. He dey arrange it down.
What do you concern all those single father wey don cool like you know they go take care of their children.
Single father wetin women born for? If we platform.
They go there, they go they analyze matter. I don't know, I go just the last say all this one. Oh God, now women pop for all this one.
Woman when get sense.
Women pop for all those men.
They support you. No say yes, say this. No.
Women wey born for they say shame not the Lord that will carry children come
outside. No, not join at all. She not join.
Even their all those men children.
She said she be shy. They shame.
Now that good evening ma. You used to bomb me. Now motivate me and do this with you. You used to bomb me. Now make me do. I say not be this guy wey say if I see this.
But why you call the talk say if you see the woman, you go beat the woman. Now if I talk her, when the woman comes here now, then they say the woman go attack her. Why be say what beat the woman?
She got the wrong.
If you see go and like you go dey sell those men go say why you go
mommy titi oh yeah
for Peter they will support finish they will bleed for wahala.
Yes, now.
Because the woman dey quiet mommy titi dey quiet you wan come dey take advantage of the woman.
See that woman when they ask her say she be pastor those guys she not say she not dey that quiet.
That pastor say
yes.
You know, see, I no go talk about. I no go say you strong.
Give a den this time around.
Strong, your daughter strong.
You not give a den this time around. She ready.
He say yes. He say daughter they do bossing. His daughter for use that bossy. I take boss your eye yesterday. Make you go relax for one place. Wetin dey worry you?
Brother, bring DNA come man. That is what you want.
Not be fight. And beat a stepmother.
Now you go too sweet o. This one go crash.
The guy cause her yesterday. The first time when you dey see your stepdaughter, for you to just respect yourself, respect your mama, yo, that na true to. As you just see that your stepdaughter yesterday, how are you? How is everything? Forget. I know I insult your mom. Sorry. You understand me?
Exactly. Sorry. Even that.
Okay, sorry. Yes.
That's your dad. Oh, EJ Labo.
Yes. Oh, yes.
Oh, my sister. My baby. Oh, my girl. I'm sorry.
You are my daughter. You are your
let's forget about this fight.
my children, they are your sisters. Please forget. It's okay. I did wrong.
I don't do a finish.
The woman wants me to be the best. You know, figure put for now.
You dey insult the girl. Also not be mama. The girl for beat you. Police not say anything do and now you go find her. Now you for insult her.
Now police not fit beat her. The girl is 17 years old. Police not do anything.
Underage.
Now the age, you never complete 18 years.
Rhoda, make I just advise you. You know that girl. The strength where that girl get right now, that's 17 years. It passed me 10 of us old because my young girl.
Yeah, never come.
They do bossy.
Even the girl never go. You know, it's not easy for her.
Not less no pikin beat you because the blow is not good for body.
They are power now. They never think I do anything. Oh.
And they never push the kid.
Nothing.
They never walk. Nothing.
No,
they are sit there with them.
You know, the baby now. I wish that amount now they go like yesterday. You know, come like today now because they do like. Why they pay for body?
I dey greet everybody.
Welcome.
All of them, I greet all of them. I just come up for my phone. There for I did for FYP before I did work. I just listen to now since. I say anywhere when they for this go about this mumu.
Mommy today kia.
I go the mumu. I go the climb up. See, I beg. See, my sisters, you guys are doing well. Now God will bless you. Now two things I come up and talk. I can correct one thing and I want to talk one thing. Sure, you see this girl what they call Rhoda. So I beg you, if they put mommy, if let's not say they give her respect. I beg you, they call her mumu 3D. You understand? Mumu 3D, now they call her. And again, that one when you say, when you can't talk again, to say, I will talk and say, you reach to bomb me. Good afternoon, now they greet you. That word when you talk so. Now she be the woman who will get for a battle bazaar. Not say when they give a battle bazaar slap, it's also they greet you, sir.
Now what you go free for?
Now she not going to be the.
I bet you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Con 999. Now she can be the woman. Now she can be the woman.
Good evening, ma.
You
reached to bomb me.
You reached to bomb me. I beg mommy Jennifer, I beg you, anytime we want matter picture again, go look for one of her picture when she for they do a vat of click the yellow basket when you bossers.
Basket. You bring that pint.
Then you go right click the yellow basket. You put her for her forehead. Now that one just fit on.
Yes.
I pay my sisters make a leave una bro.
Come man.
And what did they pay me for all those things, mommy Jennifer? If you know it damage so where your husband of you better man what they fight for.
No, they fit talk to your wife.
Husband fit and they work for your body.
I be like the wife, I don't know.
And they what you go see they shock me for inside. The man Rhoda go sit down, they insult the man children. The man go see they will put it for inside.
Now that one you tell no say no be clear.
That bottle go open one day.
Maybe bottle no open because the man
go like the man see the children may not open.
If you like me no open, me die for bottle.
You just like a man like you not old, nothing. Children when people say you don't forget it, you not say you not really go, you not both go there.
He took the way the man this is your wife where
you not both go there.
For girlfriend. Now what they call her for girlfriend?
Audio ja.
You go come sit down there, insult your children when you don't fair born. Who speaking you not born to the way go grow reach that one?
You not there.
You not there.
Some men useless, sha.
They don't cook that one brain.
I call that brother, not done again.
Who I no call about done, and not the woman even married.
Now we love the
You not let person hear what my husband, let the single breathe.
Any smarty, my hobby, my
My
hobby.
darling, my husband. Let me go and cook for my
You
husband.
Say people wey smash for the husband, and they do all be pass. We never notice am.
Yes, no.
People wey marry their personal husband, you know they sit there.
They do hobby for social media.
Yeah, you know they sit there. You see all this hobby, the gbema hobby no hoa. Never no jiwa. Now that all those one. Let us hear one.
Oh, why the book not wala what on kere wala?
Hobby no kekwa, hobby never no giayahu. Hobby no big kekwa. Now all those one wey marry your husband, and they know the lepers. You people wey marry better husband, they know they talk.
They let single mother. They would.
Hey, they don't even they talk. They know, if they know they like me, they would disrespect woman because they know say their husband they respect them.
Yes, you are right.
You hear this one wey marry Ojegile government wey thief husband. Wait, husband see get husband who you're.
But
on a weak man.
Yeah,
when they leave pikin for the
This
go party.
place, yeah, does he cut your voice one day?
Ma, when they cut am. Ma, when they abandon children for the go party. Me now go dress and go party. My husband go the look. What about Vivi? Well, legbe.
I go no J party. They beat her for the leave pikin for the way husband. Still go this one yesterday.
so wait this woman, be careful. Don't buy
Why they don't even go poison drink for party?
be very careful. Be vigilant. Be vigilant.
No, she not sit there okay if she dey party. You know she say she dey fair cruise where one carry go. She not sit to dey okay like that. Uber
If you go party, I wrote that if you go party, be careful all those drink where they drink and food. May not go kill you, away, poison you. Oh, the verse for you, eh?
If the poison, what it concern us? Now we send a message. If they like the poison, now what it again? Now what it they say so what you reap. Now what it is so now go reap.
Yes.
It's not good.
See,
Anyway.
see dress the way can they go party? Since the kind cloth we wear. I see this girl be like winch. I say now human being be this.
You see her for the party?
This one not be that yet though.
When on the advice first of say when on the advice
The woman dress, see, you wear native, you know if you wear chain.
First of say
You
when
know
on
if you
the
wear chain,
advice
you do neck balaka on your book on shoe come out.
The money they don't use to pay the first wife child benefits. Money they do.
You know if you put chain, say your husband back gold for husband when not the work, you charge benefit to buy you gold.
You know, say any woman will buy something by herself, go send her husband buy her for her. We know all those things.
You say your husband
of
use
course you don't know before.
you see how those people where their husband they buy something for, they know the shot and the husband buy them. You see how this one where go by himself work money or use the charge benefit to buy. Go say that okay, they say your husband charge benefit, use a bag gold come for you. Don't be the money.
You know how much for gold?
You know they say 50 euro gold now, those shiny gold. It dey.
You not go even buy.
Wow, Mommy 3D. Mommy 3D, you go a long way, Sha. You go a long way, Because for you to just come out, cause they do your thing. You come out, cause they talk another thing.
He say if they catch up for party, make they call along where who be our
You know what they do and when they sometimes they go just vex me. We go just carry picture go put for TikTok story. Go say nothing. No, this man. Now so single stepfather take the drop back. Yeah. But they swear for single mother.
You know see the one way put. He says stepfather never take it. He never take care of you because they take care of single mother.
You don't even tell the man for TikTok, the useless man for TikTok. They don't marry single mother. They say single mother pikin.
My sister live there now. All those one wey don first marry them, they not go where that pikin dey.
Okay, wait. So this man, that I still want video where post where put one man where Yoruba bag. Not be say your husband take the Yoruba bag. Not say your husband see they do.
You know the both they mention single father. You know the saga you know so single mother. So we go still talk about single father.
Now why for you? You go talk that person when you marry. Now you single father now. Now single father you marry.
They don't talk to me. They don't say now. You don't get peace.
Marry now.
You know talk.
If it's saga, you may say the saga your husband now.
Yes, now.
Because your husband is single father.
I wish you even close the mouth for TikTok. You not go to drag this woman. The source will go mother. People for not even know about whether
Woman, I say, Mommy Jennifer, first day they come across a woman on TikTok. First day when I come across this woman, where they talk about cigar, I come they say, your husband and one kind cute guy.
Now you click on the yellow basket.
I can't click on. As I see your husband and Roti, you know what
Nah, be love, oh. Nah, you love, nah, be that one. Nah, not what.
Mommy Jennifer, he went up by your husband for the kiss her for live video. No,
my oppa. Wahala.
na yepa.
My husband, he go say my husband of my old age, not my husband of my youth. Enter, I see who ask you.
Didn't know whether he go reach your day.
No, he never even old.
Turn it down.
You want people my 3G for 3G.
He go leave children for Obebe husband wey collect for person and go dey walk for the fair part. No be husband and wife dey even dey go party. This one dey carry the children give the man go dey waka.
Because it says single mother they leave children for house go party.
Our husband did there now.
Your husband go
The man, that man dey even dey walk.
Instead of the man not dey work, but no obey way. But that man when don't go work Monday till Friday, Saturday he go take rest. Woman go leave pikin for her, they go party.
Which work?
Fabrica.
For you to go sacrifice, see go father or see go father where and baby man not there again or see go guy. Small pikin body go person husband. They will kill you to wait.
Even this one, they don't even the punish. They don't even the disturb her.
Mama B, I better ask one question. I know say people they marry single father, but not a young girl we never pay born.
Yeah, no baby.
And again, you might go see marry a man. The man not get passports. The man not get good job like that. The man not get. What they can cause that kind of thing? Because
you go carry sugar daddy when you 20 years senior. Not be
my sister, let's forget about age.
No, let's forget about sugar daddy, not be that one.
I don't understand though. 2 flats they have.
Because let's forget about age mates. But I'm talking about
if you say 2 flats, let me tell you.
Now,
If you say 2 flats, they have. Forget say na Benin my marry.
That man they help them. But this one, why you gonna receive insult now every day and cost? Not be saying
people for not even know say na person man.
I mean, you know what?
Carry second mat.
You know what? The way when they do, I think say na one small boy marry. I don't know say na people husband in just carry.
But the man even that may he use color for that hair.
You know,
they marry all those men with based on say those men get money.
Yes, like Regina Daniel now, he married Nedwoko before because of money. We go that one go be excuse.
But now you know say they throw away money with the water.
Now they
make money for the man head now. That get better money.
He gets sense. He gets sense.
How be say you come marry that kind man?
My infant sister marry Irona, he born 5 children, all investments.
And what is the investment? Say I rush born, make my husband not take care of the rest. That day now invest for us. So what is they talk for map?
All those women, children, they see all those one for they see all those things for TikTok.
They see
17 years, they see her for TikTok. Now they want kill another day before yesterday. Fear.
Yeah, they say you carry your pikin, you want go they fight. You want the girl talk. The girl not even talk, sef. The woman pikin not even talk. Now she fed trauma. Thank God say video. Now she fed.
That's how I did Nigeria. Person insult my mother and me go they fight them.
Even 10 years
not be even that one.
One story.
As it told man, go give the woman. Now the woman react. Now the pikin react.
Mama be
no, the pikin no react, mama. Now she trauma go give the pikin.
Yes.
Say your pikin react. And now the pikin call he say see your pikin use Dutch. He can't mention the name of the wetin the pikin they do for Dutch.
And because of because of problem, your pikin no fit do this thing for Dosh. Now the guy say, who are you?
Who are you? Who are you talking to?
I
should go talk to the pikin. The pikin don't talk to her.
Because you're not supposed. If not me,
I believe you don't go to
old
children. They don't feed your data. They don't feed your puma like that.
Because now if I go trauma, give the pikin.
Now trauma give the pikin. The
Then
video
they
show
happy say now pikin when they born for you. If not the one where they bring come for you for Nigeria, we'll put you here.
Boy,
No, that be one big time.
Go come. No,
if you want big time,
now mama, now this my maternity police go hold. I go the big
yes, so this man, now I hold the pikin when the man call they say the pikin.
I know, Jenna, save one. Therefore, break your head down yesterday.
I go just
I'm no jam malora. And God say they could call no jam malora come that party.
No, Mama Laura no go. No get say they slacking polo.
No, even before he run go meet no get the woman don't fed the striker when he push her 2 times.
Yes,
nothing matter talk.
She can't dey run.
Yes,
when he say no,
now say he push me and not talk to him. Now yes, husband I marry you.
You marry your husband.
Good evening. Good evening, man. Good evening, man. I know say you wish to know me.
My sister, you are a disgrace to some people.
He says some people not they support her. What you want support for this nonsense?
Or nonsense. Be very clear.
We some people they call
another thing.
Now you know another thing self for social media TikTok.
When they start online. God forbid.
Well, you don't know what that they call such people. Eroda.
Now that one you tell us na juju person na be
bad person.
Mama.
Small
no insulting mama no when I dey here please okay. No not like
mama because
mama no send a message here.
Mama no send a give him
no matter talk to her.
You know say no dey tell mama the truth. If the problem come mama go dey answer you dey lie.
Not be when mama come reach village. When mama reach village mama come know the truth. Not be mama say the beg.
Okay now so
He don't tell mama the truth.
You know if you tell the mama the truth now.
It just be like say that as I did now, I dey carry phone they call my mama and go bring juju paper for person. Mama go ask me say no only you I born, you dey crazy. They say you come. Now me send you message. Only one word when you go tell me say I no go try am.
See if you
this one she blocked me when I say for remove that eye. She just block.
If you did,
how many people you feel block?
Your mom will not follow you.
He said they command. He said they command the eye. Put her for inside one rubber. Now she block me.
Look. I bet Jennifer drop me.
Okay, Barry J, may you see you. If she say you dey go person platform where they for the mock am. You call me, now I tell you that word that time. Okay, the people platform when she did through her yesterday when she tasted.
Mommy Jennifer, good morning. Now good morning or good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I bet my sister wait first. I want to ask for Jennifer question. Mommy Jennifer, I want to ask you a question. If this lady now your best friend, you not go tell her the truth. You go to join her.
No.
Okay. Your go they attack the ex-woman, the ex-wife, the man ex-wife because. See, this life, if your best friend, same person when you call your family friend or best friend, you see say you they do something, not tell you say that thing not good, you not be your friend.
No, it's not be your friend, yes.
I know where should they go.
I don't talk a rich like that too. I don't know.
Maybe don't quarrel with you because you not support her for evil though.
I know.
When you talk a rich, so it's okay for them come beat you.
I understand.
You know say friendship.
But now people will not be the man friend that